Hey guys, do you want to know how to view your Instagram insights on your phone? In this video, you'll learn exactly how to access insights about your followers, posts, or other stuff on Instagram directly from your phone. So make sure to watch this video until the very end, properly understand the tutorial. To get started, you simply have to open up the Instagram mobile application. Tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom of the screen. So here you have to keep in mind that in order to see the insights on Instagram, you have to be using an Instagram professional account. For that, tap on the three little lines, go to settings, scroll down, tap on account, scroll down to the bottom and tap on switch to professional account, tap on continue. For all of these, select the category for your account, tap on done, and after 30 seconds your Instagram account will be created. First of all, you have to select you are either a business or a creator. I am simply going to select a creator. In a few simple settings, your Instagram account will be created. Now in order to see your insights, simply tap on the professional dashboard at the top of the screen. Now you will see the account insights. It will show you graph, followers, non-followers, save reprise, add tools, any of the thing which you want you have to tap on. In order to see account insights in detail, tap on see all. Now you'll see account reach, account engage, total followers, and any of the thing which you want. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.